if you've done yoga, you have done public speaking training, you have done drama training, singing, Pilates, you've learned how to breathe correctly. And that is breathing from your belly, but 90% of people breathe from your chest, the upper bit here. And you'll notice when you're doing that, because your shoulders are going up, so you're breathing like this. And you think that's what you're doing, but actually you're constricting your breath. When you breathe from your belly, your hands, if I step back, you should be able to breathe by going, and you should be able to see that my hands are slightly moving. They're just moving slightly apart, and that is my diaphragm working. And that's why you need to breathe from your belly. You need to use your diaphragm, because without breath, your voice will become constricted. Your voice becomes, your vocal cords need the breath to let the resonances come through. So as you get nervous, as fear starts to settle in, what happens is you get nervous. Your breathing becomes shallower and you start to get anxiety. You start to panic. Well, actually, the belly breath is your best friend at this point. If you do a belly breath and you breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth, you'll be able to take control. When you get scared, you hear the heartbeat going boom, 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 boom in your ear. And the one thing that we know to do is to breathe. So what you want to do is link your heartbeat back to your breath and absolutely control it. And then when it comes to speaking, you don't push the sound out, you let the breath coming from the diaphragm carry your voice through. If you're not sure to do that, how to do it, get in touch. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel and you will find lots of hints and tips there. You can download my free guides, and if you really want help to be the best authentic you public speaker out there, drop me a DM.